How to make a Roblox Game Pass. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the roblox.com in your laptop or in your desktop. And once you're logged into your account and you land on your homepage, now to get started, head over to the menu bar at the top of this interface. There is a create option. So click on create and that will take you to next page. Now again from this menu bar, click on dashboard. After you do that, on your interface, you will have an experience that says create experience. And under that, you will get one experience. And if you hover your mouse over there, you will find three dot icon. So click on three dot icon. Now from this drop down box, click on create badge. And once you land on the next page, now again head over to your left hand side on this interface and scroll down a bit, and under monetization there you will find passes. So click on that. Now here is where you can create a pass. So in order to create a pass, click on this create a pass button. So first of all, you have to upload an image, or if you haven't uploaded an image yet, a default image will be used. So if you'd like to change that, simply go to change and then upload an image from your device. And after that, you have to type in the name for your image. Make sure you have fill out this field. This image name field is necessary. So type in your image name, and under that there is a description box. You can describe your pass as well, or that is optional, so you can skip that too. And once you're done with that, simply click on create a pass and you will have your pass in your Roblox, as you can see here. Now if you would like to put it on for the sale, so what you can do is again go to your pass, then from your left hand side again click on sales. Now you can enter the amount for your pass. So if you turn on this toggle, and you can enter your pass cost right here. If you enter 10, then it will calculate the amount for your pass, and then it will put up on sale for 7. And then simply click on save changes and your pass will be updated successfully. And if you go and see your pass in your Roblox, it will be up on sale for 7. So that's how you update or create or make your pass on Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.